Is your fiddle leaf fig towering over your living room and taking up all the space? Don't worry, your plant doesn't have to take over your home. Today, I'll show you how to tame your giant fiddle leaf fig, keep it healthy, and even create new plants from the top. Stay tuned. If your fiddle leaf fig has suddenly shot up in height, it can feel overwhelming. Tall, leggy growth is usually a sign of light deficiency, overgrowth, or just natural expansion. But there's good news. With the right care, you can control its height, shape it beautifully, and even make your indoor jungle look fuller. We'll cover pruning techniques, staking, repotting, propagation in routine maintenance. These tips not only manage height, but also promote stronger stems, bigger leaves, and a bushier structure. Many plant owners panic when their fig gets too tall, thinking they've done something wrong, but growth like this is normal. With a few smart moves, your plant can thrive without taking over your space or looking scraggly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do the next time your fiddle leaf fig seems to be reaching for the ceiling. Get ready to take control, prune like a pro, and turn your tall, leggy fig into a stunning centerpiece. Section 1. Pruning the top. When your fiddle leaf fig grows too tall, the easiest way to control its height is pruning the top. Start by finding a node. This is where a leaf meets the main stem. Cutting just above a node encourages side growth, making your fig fuller and bushier instead of just stretching upward. Use sharp, clean pruning shears to prevent infection. Remove the top third of the plant. But don't worry, you can root these cuttings to grow new plants. Always prune in spring or summer because these are the growth seasons. Avoid heavy pruning during winter when the plant is dormant. After pruning, you'll notice new branches sprouting from the sides. Over time, these branches will grow leaves, giving your fig a lush, well-rounded look. This technique also prevents the plant from becoming top-heavy and prone to tipping. Remember, pruning is not just about controlling height, it's about improving the overall health and structure of your fiddle leaf fig. Regular trimming encourages stronger stems and bigger, healthier leaves. Pro tip: rotate your plant after pruning so all sides receive light evenly. This ensures balanced growth and prevents the plant from leaning toward one window. Section 2. Repotting and staking. Sometimes a tall fiddle leaf fig is a top-heavy problem, not just a height issue. Repotting can solve this. Check if roots are crowding the pot. If so, move your plant into a slightly larger container with fresh, well-draining soil. This gives roots space to expand and supports healthy growth. For extra stability, use stakes or bamboo rods. Gently tie the plant to the stake with soft plant ties to avoid damaging the stem. This prevents tipping and keeps your plant upright. Tall, heavy figs are prone to falling, so staking is often necessary after pruning too. Proper repotting also helps manage nutrient and water absorption. A crowded root system can make your plant struggle for water, leading to leggy growth. Fresh soil, combined with pruning and staking, ensures a strong foundation for your fig. Finally, remember light and watering. Bright, indirect sunlight encourages balanced growth, while a consistent watering routine prevents stress and weak stems. Too little light causes stretching, and irregular watering weakens the plant, making height management harder. By combining pruning, repotting, and staking, your fiddle leaf fig can stay beautiful, healthy, and proportional, even if it was once towering over your living space. Section 3. Propagation in maintenance. If your fiddle leaf fig has grown too tall for your space, don't throw away those cuttings. Propagation is a great way to reduce height while multiplying your plants. Root the top cuttings in water or soil, and within a few weeks, you'll have new, thriving plants. Layering is another option. Use long bottom branches to encourage rooting while still attached to the main plant. This method strengthens your fig and fills your indoor jungle. Routine maintenance keeps your tall plant healthy. Dust leaves regularly to help photosynthesis. Fertilize during spring and summer to strengthen stems. Rotate the plant every few weeks so it grows evenly, avoiding lean or uneven shapes. Over time, you'll notice a bushier, more balanced fiddle leaf fig. Controlled pruning and proper care not only maintain height, but also improve overall plant health, bigger leaves, and a stunning display in your home. The key takeaway: A tall fiddle leaf fig is not a problem, it's an opportunity. Prune, stake, repot, and propagate strategically. With these steps, you'll have a thriving, manageable plant that looks like a professional indoor jungle centerpiece. So there you have it. When your fiddle leaf fig gets too tall, don't panic. With the right techniques, pruning, repotting, staking, and propagation, you can regain control, encourage fuller growth, and even multiply your plants. Tall figs often signal growth success. They just need guidance. By following these steps, you can prevent your plant from becoming leggy, weak, or top-heavy and create a bushier, healthier indoor centerpiece. Remember, pruning the top encourages side growth, staking keeps it upright, repotting nourishes the roots, and propagation gives you new plants for free. Combine these strategies and your indoor jungle will look lush and professional. Take action today. Grab your pruning shears, inspect your plant, and start shaping it to perfection. Don't forget to rotate and rotate, dust leaves, and provide bright, indirect sunlight. Your fiddle leaf fig will thank you with bigger leaves, strong stems, and balanced growth. If you loved this guide, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more plant care hacks. Share your results in the comments. I'd love to see how you tame your giant fiddle leaf fig.